In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your Wix site. Whether you're taking on a new partner or expanding your team, being able to add another admin to your site can be incredibly beneficial for managing your tasks more effectively. So let's get started on how to do this step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard of the specific site where you want to grant admin access. The dashboard is essentially the hub of your website management, and from there, you can make many adjustments and changes to your site, like adding a new team member as an admin. Once you're in the site dashboard, look for the Settings option in the menu. Within Settings, find and select Roles and Permissions. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage who can do what on your website. Giving someone the right access level ensures that your site management goes smoothly, and it allows you to delegate tasks effectively. Now, from the Roles and Permissions page, you should see an option that says Invite People, or you might see it as Plus Invite, or Add Collaborator. Click on this option to start the process of inviting someone new to your team. Next, you'll need the email address of the person you want to make an admin. Type in their email address in the space provided. Ensure that this is the same email they use for their own Wix account. If it isn't, don't worry. They'll receive a prompt to create a Wix account, which they can do easily. Providing the correct email up front will help streamline the process, so I recommend double-checking it before moving forward. After entering the email, it's time to choose the role you want this person to have. For someone you want to handle admin tasks, select the admin or co-owner role. This role gives them significant control over the site, allowing them to manage settings, add content, and oversee the site's operations. Some of you might notice that there are custom roles available on some sites. These can offer more flexibility in terms of permissions. So, if you want to tailor their permissions specifically, you could explore those too. But for general admin duties, the admin or co-owner role will be perfectly suitable. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully invited someone to be an admin on your Wix site. This can be a game changer for managing your website more effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy collaborating.